Well guys, going to be doing a video of how you can replace the battery. This is on the Astra Mk5. You just need a 13mm and a 10mm. So your battery are held in by a little bracket just at the side there. That's a 13mm. What you can do is just pop these out if you need to, just to get you a bit better access. Then the actual battery connectors are 10mm. So it's the negative first. And then it's 13mm. So once that's loosened off, you'll just be able to remove the bracket. And you should just be able to lift it out. And what you want to do is just get your new battery, put it in, make sure it's in the right ends, positive and negative. You can just remove that, put that down. So when you're reconnecting, it's positive first, and it's your negative. Put your negative on. And then with this cover that they've given me, it doesn't fit properly, so I'll just use the old one, the old battery. It does the job. And just make sure your bracket's seated correctly. What you want to do is just tighten that off. 13mm. And just put your pipes back in if you've moved them, your hoses. I'll just clip in. It's job done guys, so I hope this helps somebody out. Cheers. Thanks for watching.